Scientists want to store the DNA of 6.7 million species on the moon for just in case. A lunar ark hidden inside the moon's lava tubes could preserve the sperms, eggs and seeds of millions of Earth species, a group of scientists have proposed. The ark or the gene bank would be safely hidden in these hollowed out tunnels and caves sculpted by lava more than 3 billion years ago and would be powered by solar panels above. It would hold the cryogenically preserved genetic material of all 6.7 million known species of plants, animals and fungi on Earth. Preservation in this mass scale would require at least 250 rocket launches to transport them to the moon. This idea was proposed by scientists on Sunday, 7th of March 2021 at the IEEE Aerospace Conference, which was held virtually this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The main motivation behind the lunar ark is to create a secure off-world storage facility for biodiversity. Now, in their presentation, the researchers listed the following as the potential existential threats to biodiversity on Earth: supervolcanic eruptions, global nuclear wars, asteroid impacts, pandemic, climate change acceleration, global solar storm, global drought, and maybe rising sea levels. Therefore, if an apocalyptic event destroyed the natural world or wiped out most of the population, animals, or humanity, there would be a chance to hit the reset button. By storing the genetic information somewhere else in the solar system, we can ensure it survives any existential threats to Earth. The benefit of building an ark on the moon is that it can be safely hidden away in lava tubes. These hollowed out caverns and tunnels under the surface were formed during the moon's fiery infancy, and they have remained untouched ever since. Lava tubes would protect the ark from meteor strikes and DNA damaging radiation. The lava tubes have been suggested as excellent places to build lunar cities for human civilization on the moon as well. 50 samples of each species would be needed to successfully reintroduce a species. However, reintroducing each species could actually take as many as 500, which would mean many more rockets are needed. The bad news is that not all the technology needed for this ambitious project exists yet, but the researchers think that it could be realistically built over the next 30 years. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment in both YouTube and Facebook. The channel needs your support to grow. Thank you.